Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a CSS tutorial on freeCodeCamp, and we're going to learn how to change the margins, but we're going to use the clockwise notation. So just a reminder, margin. What's a margin? Is the distance between the borders of each element. And there's margins from the top, bottom, left, and right. And you can specify each of the sides with the syntax: margin top, margin right, margin bottom, margin left. But if you want to change all of them, there's an easier way with less line of code, and you can just use margin and using a clockwise notation, and just think of a clock, how it starts from the top, right, bottom, and left. And that's how you think of it to write the syntax for it. For this exercise, we want to use the clockwise notation to give the element with the blue box class. Here, look at the blue box here, that's the period, signifying that as a class. And from this, and then here, and then we want to have it a margin of 40 pixels on the top and left side, but only 20 pixels on the bottom and right side. So we go here, margin, colon, and we start from the top with 40 pixels, right, 20 pixels, left by bottom, 20 pixels, left side, 40 pixels. And there we go. Let me test it. And it passes. Thank you.